Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast in Alesund, Norway. This is Fjords. This is a scenic vantage point. See many of the islands and houses down below. Moving the camera around, you can see many of the nice houses. See a big space in the middle. The fjords in the back. See some snow-capped tops. Maybe ice, the clouds in the back, but the fjords getting in the way. The Holland America cruise ship in the back, the MS Rotterdam. See the ship in its full glory. And the cruise port seems so close, yet it's so far away. At the top, a special restaurant. You have to pay to get inside this upper vantage point, or you can just walk around the outside and take a video like I am. Going down, we'll take some video down. As you can see, the descent. This isn't too bad on the way down. Right now, it's just a little bit of a hill, but a little bit later, it will become stairs. But walking down is easier than walking up. See down, some boats going by. You can see the trail of the water. See the roads. Really nice views from up here. I think worth it. Quite a climb, but taking time, as I have from around 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. to get back to the ship and explore in the meantime. Continuing down the stairs, you could see the descent. This is marker 408 or 408, but I'm thinking it's a lot more than 400 steps to get down. As we descend, you can see more of these houses. See the yellow, the reds, the blues, and much more. Cruise ship gets a little bit closer and see additional fjords in the back. Nice weather, about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Recording in early July, coming down this vantage point. I would have worn shorts, lighter clothing. Wouldn't have needed a hoodie, but it was a little bit chilly on the bottom. See some of the vehicles going through, some of the tour buses. Might get lucky and see the blue train that I've included in past videos. But for now, it's the descent. See 397 above, so not sure how they're measuring this one. As you go down or up, there are various benches. You can see one to the side where you can take a breather and really pace yourself. The stairs, some of them are just rocks, so you have to be careful with the descent here. See several boats docked next to the piers here, and it's a canal area. Walked through that earlier, walked through all of these areas. Nice places to walk from the cruise ship. At the bottom, there is a park area, which I had in a previous video. And you could see the descent here, some of the zigzagging stairs. See the other people making their way up. There's a little plexiglass vantage point on this side, under the trees. Others continuing to take photos. Hear birds chirping in the background. Some smaller birds throughout here, at the tops of the trees. The seagulls more towards the bottom. Maybe sparrows. Getting a little bit sweaty even walking down, but this is much easier than the climb. Marker 298. Making my way down for sure. Not very windy right now, which is good. Not raining, very calm weather. Imagine this would be dangerous in a rainy environment with slippery stairs. Marker 268 coming up, making it. More people approaching, not too wide of a lane to get through, but with some cooperation, we make our way. There's a group photo ahead. Pretty funny. It's 10 people or so trying to fit into the photo. The countdown. Maybe some tour guides, maybe not. Happy birthday! What's going on? A little plexiglass area over here, it looks like. Try to get in there and get a different type of view. They have these little sections throughout here. Marker 237. Some dog walking up here. Hopefully the dogs are cool with it. Okay, more on level ground. Get another view of the various houses on this side. See a blue bus coming through. Pink building down below. And some other ships, some smaller ships on this side, but again, it's the Holland America MS Rotterdam I came in on. Another boat coming closer. You see the many trees on the side. View on this side, more buildings, more modern architecture on this side with some glass windows and balconies. Some fields on this side, restaurants in the back. Pretty uniform skyline on this end, and a monument below, brown monument on this side. Lots of people coming down now. See this vantage point? Striker's net, something like that. All right, now it's my turn to head down. 213. It's going down pretty quickly. Get a closer view of that brown monument as we descend. Closer view of the town square and the cruise port itself. Looking for that blue train, but I haven't seen it just yet. Only a blue bus. The zigzagging stairs continue. A lot easier on the descent. There'll be more cruise content coming for sure. Several more days of this Holland America Norway fjord cruise. Looking forward to other stops. Ooh, there's a seagull. There it is. Haven't seen one of them up this high just yet. Pretty cool. Quick visitor. Getting closer, a yellow boat on this side. Blue ships in the back. And more of the fjords rolling through this section in the center. Marker 161, down from the 430 or so, not too long ago. Just a few minutes to get down at this rate as we capture this wonderful descent in Alesund, Norway. Still breathing, not too bad on the way down, but the way up was definitely quite challenging. Another view, some red boats on this side, one white one in the back. A little bit of stops to recover. Pacing myself on the way down. Would be nice to have some kind of elevator or zip line or slide. No levitation magic or flight either. Could be the forest wizard making my way up this thing. Another view of the square and the buildings. Getting closer to the park on the bottom. See the canal type area even closer. Restaurants, museums, and more as we get more towards the bottom and the town center. Continuing the descent, now at marker 108. It's getting easier, almost on level ground. People huffing and puffing as they walk up, as I was earlier. Big crowd now, headed up the stairs. More of the white buildings off to the side. Ambitious dogs, as if they had a choice. Almost there. Maybe about 50 stairs remaining. Marker 47, just ahead. 47. Almost. Just a few minutes to walk down and longer to get up. A cannon on this side. The stairs get rockier. Kanoa. Taking my time down here. Getting closer to the Holland America cruise ship, the MS Rotterdam, just ahead, right through the trees. See the upper decks a little bit more closely. And I have a video recording from those upper decks further back in the archive. Closer to the square, see these yellow buildings just ahead, and 2 churches. Continuing down the stairs, likely one of the final set of stairs. And now it just seems to be a ramp from here. So there you have it, a big descent, nice views in Alesund, Norway. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.